Hi all, welcome back to freshersworld.com. I am Rishmi Elias. In today's video, we will be discussing some of the problems which will help you to crack the government exams. Moving on to the first question. What is the circumference of the largest circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 14 centimeter? Here we have a square and a circle is inscribed in it, and we are asked to find out the circumference of the largest circle that can be inscribed in it, right? So remember one thing, the largest circle that can be inscribed in a square will touch all the sides of the square. So its diameter will be equal to the side of the square. So here diameter will be 14, so radius will be half of it, that is 14 by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. Now our question is to find out the circumference of the circle. We know the equation for circumference of a circle as 2 pi r. Here r is 7, so 2 pi into 7, that is equal to 14 pi. Now to give the value of pi, remember one thing, if with pi we have a multiple of 7, take the value of pi as 22 by 7. So 14 into 22 by 7. 7 and 14 you can cancel 2 times. So it will be 44 centimeter. Moving on to the next question. Find the distance covered in meters by a wheel of radius 35 centimeter in 200 revolutions. Here what you have to keep in mind is when a wheel makes one revolution, it will cover a distance equal to its circumference. We know that the circumference is 2 pi r. So when it makes 200 revolutions, what will be the distance covered? It will be 200 into 2 pi r. Here the radius is 35 centimeters. So 200 into 2 pi into 35. And in our question, we are asked to find the distance in meters. So we have to convert this 35 centimeter to meters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 35 centimeters will be equal to 35 by 100 meters. Now we have to substitute the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Now we can cancel out 100 and 200, that is 2, 7 and 35, 5 times. So the answer will be 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 22. 22 into 2 is 44 into 10, that is 440 meters will be the answer. So I will explain it once again. When a wheel makes one revolution, it will cover a distance equal to its circumference. So when it makes 200 revolutions, distance covered will be equal to 200 into its circumference. We know that circumference is 2 pi r. So 200 into 2 pi r will come. Moving on to the next question. A person running around a circular track with a speed of 11 km per hour can complete one revolution in 30 minutes. Find the radius of the circular track. Here it is said that a person is running around a circular track. He will complete 11 kilometers in 1 hour. And it is said that he will be completing one revolution in 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half hour. He will travel 11 kilometers in 1 hour. So in half hour he will be traveling how much distance? It is 11 by 2. Now listen carefully. This person is running along a circular track. So when he complete one revolution, he will be completing a distance equal to the circumference of the circle. So the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r and that distance is the distance which he completes in 30 minutes. That we have already seen, it is 11 by 2. So 2 pi r is equal to 11 by 2. Pi is 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11 by 2. Now we can find the value of r. R is equal to 11 by 2 into 22 by 7. When going to the other side, we have to take the reciprocal. So 7 by 22 into 2 will become 1 by 2 when going to the other side. Here we can cancel out 11 and 22 two times. So the remaining will be in the numerator 7 and in the denominator 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. So the answer will be 7 by 8. Moving on to the next question. If the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 5 and the perimeter of the triangle is 190. Find the largest side. Here first we have to convert the ratio of fractions to ratio of whole numbers. So for that there is a shortcut. So here 1 by 2 is to 1 by 4 is to 1 by 5, no? So the first ratio will be, you just need to multiply the denominators of the other two values, that is 4 into 5, 20. To find the second value, just multiply the denominators of the first and third, that is 2 into 5, 10. In the same way, third value will be, you just need to multiply the denominators of the first and second, that is 2 into 4, 8. So we got the ratio as 20 is to 10 is to 8. This we can again simplify. So dividing throughout by 2, you will get it as 10 is to 5 is to 4. So we got the ratio as 10 is to 5 is to 4. Here we know the perimeter of the triangle is 190. Perimeter is nothing but the sum of all sides. Here we know that the ratio of the sides is 10 is to 5 is to 4. That is total 10 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19 parts are there. So out of which the largest side is 10 part out of 19. So 10 by 19. Here sum of all sides is 190. So to find the largest side, you just need to find how much is 10 by 19 of total, that is 190. So 10 by 19 into 190, 19 and 190 you can cancel. So 10 times 10 into 10 is 100. So the answer will be 100 centimeter. Next question. Two cylinders of the same volume have the radii in the ratio 3 is to 5. Find the ratio of the heights. This question is very simple and you can directly write the answer without even thinking. That is, if two cylinders having the same volume, if the radii is given, to find the ratio of their heights, what you need to do is just take the square and interchange it. That is, here 3 is to 5. Take the square. So it will be 9 is to 25. So the ratio of their heights will be, you have to interchange that. That is 25 is to 9. So the answer will be 25 is to 9. This question can be asked in other way. That is, ratio of the heights will be given. Then you will be asked to find out the radii. Let's see one question. Two cylinders having the same volume have their heights in the ratio 1 is to 3. Find the ratio of the radii. So here what we have to do? We know that if the radii is given, to find the ratio of the heights, we have to square it and interchange it. Here the heights are given. So what you need to do? Just take the square root, then interchange it. So when we take the square root, it will become 1 is to root 3. Now we have to interchange it. So the ratio of the radii will be root 3 is to 1. With this, we are winding up today's session. Hope you enjoyed this. We will be coming back with more interesting videos. And one more thing, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. Thank you and stay safe.